hi to the camera.
Hi, Grandma.
Tell me what you're going to do today.
We're gonna do today pretty.
Okay. What color is that?
It's
Bronzer?
green.
Okay, can you have to show me what color?
Green.
Okay.
Mommy.
What is that?
Mascara.
Okay. Okay, can I see it closer, please? Alright. Thank you.
Welcome.
Are you doing your eyeshadow today?
Yes.
Okay. What color are you using?
Makeup.
I think eyeshadow's on this color. Eyeshadows are... What color is that one? Hold on.
Blue.
That's a blue one, okay. And what is the
I
name?
don't need purple.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna drip over.
Okay.
It's gonna get nasty.
Yeah. You have to come closer to the camera so I can see what you're doing, okay? Pretty. Okay, beautiful. Pretty. It's your lipstick time. What color lipstick are you doing today? Are you doing pink? Red?
I'm doing my little red.
There's a brown one.
No, this is my red.
Oh, you want a red one?
I'm gonna put my red in.
Okay, you have to show me.
Then I put color.
No, you finished that already. We don't need that. You have to put your lipstick on so I can turn off the camera. What's that? Your highlighter?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I need that too.
Oh.
And I need green.
Why do you need green?
I need green for my eye.
You already have blue. You have to put your lipstick on now so we can finish the tutorial. Put your red lipstick on so we can finish the tutorial, please.
This one.
Okay. Come closer so I can see it. Alright. Say goodnight.